now.
Alright guys, this is Mr. 360 All Day 1 here. Old fashioned truck right here. This truck is gonna be my new friend, baseball bat. Guys, so we're gonna do some baseball over here. But that truck's the baseball.
I think I'm backing up.
Alright guys, this thing has already lost its whole side. That's gone.
What's up with the snow? No more snow. Smash it! Hit it harder!
Alright guys, ready?
Yes, I'm ready. I would go closer, but
That did nothing.
low battery. Dismissed. 20% of the battery left.
Holy fuck.
I'm like getting hit with snow.
Alright guys. Almost out and my ear is killing me. So
Yay.
whoa, that looks like a phone card. You got that. Whatever that is.
I don't even want to know what that is. Whoa. You almost hit me with
That
something.
better swing! And he's going for the home run. I gotta pop my ear. There we go. Down there. Alright guys.
Throw
Right
that.
here?
Throw that Zach.
Right here. Get ready.
All right.
This is
Just
coming
hit the
off.
fucking thing. Damn. That shit got fucked.
Alright
Oh.
guys. Messing this damn thing up.
You land on it.
There we go guys.
That's what you call fucked up. Nobody's even looking. Someone's looking out the window.
Someone is.
Yeah, the second floor.
Alright guys, old fashioned truck here.
Good. 10% battery left.
Fine.
Go. Let me get there.
Alright guys, like I said, Mr. 360 here.